Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today the beautiful South African American actress Sasa Petrus Schaeffer is a South Africa born American actress, singer and songwriter. She is known for her roles as Alison DeLaurentis in the free-form series Pretty Little Liars. Upon the success of Pretty Little Liars, Petrus earned a supporting role as Army Bello in the 2011 Disney Channel film Kick Charming. She was born 17 February 1996, now the age of 25-year-old. Movie and TV shows: Pretty Little Liars 2019, Pretty Little Liars 2010 to 2017, The Adventure 2005, Gig Charming 2011, Good Luck Jack 2007, GBF 2013, The Honor List 2018. Beautiful quotes of today, short quotes. Wake up and live. A winner never stop trying. No trust, no relationship. Turn hater into motivators. Life is a challenge, meet it. Worry ends when faith begins. Never stress over what you cannot control. Never regard what once made you smile. Don't say what you don't mean. Life is too short to take everything so seriously. Smiling is the best way to face every problem. Count your blessing instead of your problems. The less you care, the happier you will be. Before you react, think. Before you quite try. Cheating isn't an accident, it's a choice. Be the first to forgive, just never forget. Don't wait for it to happen, make it happen. Never lose hope, never lose faith. Reality continued to run my life. Without trust, most things aren't possible. Seek respect, not attention. We go through the worst to get to the best. It's never too late to make it right. Thing that happen too fast ends faster. Smile more, worry less. Get rid of all debts and just go for it. Stop worrying and be happy. When you care less, you are happier. Never wait. Life goes faster than you think. You shouldn't apologize for being who you are. Be thankful. Life could be worries. Overthinking is what kills you. Always find a reason to smile. It is impossible to dream too big. Keep fighting, it will be worth it. Always respect other people's feeling. Insecurity is what's ugly, not you. Don't say things you don't mean. We want what we don't have. Treat each day like a gift. Make your move. Do what you like. Life is a dream. Realize it. Courage is knowing what not fear. Knowledge speak, but wisdom listen. Word divide us, action unite us. Bad company corrupts good habit. Big thing have a smile beginning. A half truth is a whole lies. Life is not to endure, it's to enjoy. Careless, smile more. Pain happen when you care. If you hate losing, stop giving up. Anger is one letter short of dangers. Nothing will work unless you do. Don't go through life, go through life. Life is beauty, admire it. Age is no guarantee of majority. The first reaction to truth is a hater. If not now, when? Before it get better, it always gets worse first. Be with someone who bring out the best in you. Decision shape dignity. Each day is a new beginning. Promises are as flexible as a rule. I want to cry, but I have forgotten how. It's not illegal unless you get caught. HOPE, hold on, pain ends. Many people gets fake when life gets real. Think before you sick. Be true to who you are. Be happy, be confident, be kind. Smile and enjoy life. Do it before it's too late. If you believe in it, then fight for it. The best thing happen unexpectedly. Don't worry about what you cannot control. Refuse to be sad and you will be happier. Apologize expected